How to use Copilot to create a PowerPoint presentation. Please note that in order to use Microsoft PowerPoint and the Copilot together, you would need a Microsoft 365 subscription. So, in order to benefit from the Copilot and Microsoft together, you need a subscription, either the yearly or the monthly. All right, guys. So, with this out of the way, a workaround for this would be to have a Microsoft Edge, that's the browser, and Copilot enabled on that browser, and then we can create something. So let's say we open up Microsoft, that's powerpoint.cloud.microsoft, that's the presentation, and then we want to create a presentation. How do we go about it? Just simply click on the chat here and then simply type in create a PowerPoint presentation on seafood. Now you can prompt it in any manner that you see fit, depending on the kind of presentation you want. And then you can also ask it to include some visuals. So you can ask it to include visuals and then just hit enter. And it's now going to go ahead and create the presentation. Now you're going to find a structured PowerPoint presentation with different slides. So now all you need to do is just simply copy the data that is reflected here and just add it to your presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, that is a workaround you can try.